You want to find a Greek word. You have the idea in English and you're trying to find it. What ways can you do that? I have three quick ways to show you. One is just to search an English Bible. So here I have my English Bible and my Logos open. I'm going to just go to Matthew 1:1. And that puts me at the beginning of the New Testament. I could also search the Old Testament Septuagint, but right now I'm looking for the word in Greek for to discuss, to discuss. So I hit Control F, I type in discuss, and it zooms down to Matthew 16:7. I have my Greek Bible linked over here, and there, sure enough, you have this word, dialogizonte. And I opened the dictionary and looked at it. Good. So that's one way. Search for an English word. I have a dictionary here. This is Liddell Intermediate. And I have linked to it over here a search box. And it's going to search all text in this dictionary. Okay. So here I'm going to type discuss. And it's going to find me all the times discuss is done. Now, sometimes the word might not be exactly the definition, but used in the definition section. But here you look through a bunch of different words and you find discuss. Ekvivadzo, never heard that before. Ekvivadzo, to stop one from discussing the question of justice. Wow. So you look through there and you find discuss. Another really good resource that I use is Louanita, the Dictionary by Semantic Domains. I click on that. I happen to know that Louanita, at the very back, the bottom of the dictionary, they have a list of English word domains. So I'm going to go Control N to go all the way to the bottom, hit Control F, and then type in discuss again. Of course, it says red. It's not going to find it from here to the bottom. But then click the up arrow and it'll find it right away. Discuss, discussion, and the semantic domains are here. Domains are here. O Milo, to discuss, like the road to Emmaus. And matologia, oh, talk which has no beneficial purpose. And symbalo, to express differences. So by exploring these domains, then you could find other similar words possibly for what you're looking for. There you go.